Hey, welcome, my Scrappin Friends. I want to share with you these two folios that I made here just recently. And oh my gosh, they just turned out wonderful. Now, I will be teaching you how to make both of these folios, okay? So that's going to be coming up soon. So keep an eye out for that. You can let me know in the comments what you think about these folios or if you would plan on making one of them. All right. So these folios measure 9.5 by 7 3/4, and they do have a 1/2 inch spine. Okay, on both of them. Now in the measurements, I did upgrade it to where you could do a 3/4 inch spine in case you're adding a lot of photos to it. Okay, or if you want more room. Okay. So let's dive into this one real quick. Now I decorated this one with a Indigo collection from Simple Stories. It is a several years old. There's the back, and I did use ribbon just to kind of keep it all nice and tidy. So this opens up. Oh, this paper was just amazing. And then this opens up. These are a lot like my original all occasion folio that I'd done, oh, probably 5 years, 6 years ago. I will put that link down below to my original one if you'd like to go check it out. Okay, so here we have a waterfall, and I just used one of the 6x8 pieces of paper to put that on front. And then this flips, and then that flips up. Now I didn't put any paper on the back sides. I was saving those for photos. So they all have a flip up here. Then you have a nice big area for a couple of photos. So there's the middle part. Then over here, this flips open. And you have a place for two photos, or, a nice big photo, a couple of photos here. And then that flips open. And then you have a pocket here. Okay. And it doesn't take very long to make this and have, something really nice to, put on your coffee table to display your pictures or, give it as a gift. It also makes for nice craft fair album to make and sell as well. This side doesn't have any pocket. Just a nice big area for photographs. So that side folds in, and then this side, and then we just tie it back with the ribbon. So I will be teaching you how to make these. All right, let's dive into the other one. Now this one I geared towards a baby boy. And I used an Echo Park collection, and it's several years old. I mean, it's probably, I think it was like 10 years old. I happened to have it in my stash. I'm like, I got to use this. But it turned out so cute. So that opens up. Then this opens up. And then you have flip out here. And then you have another waterfall feature. And again, I left the backs blank. Now the other one just had 4 because it had the flip out, but this one doesn't have the flip ups, so I was able to do 6 of them. And then nice place for a photograph. And then you can put photographs on here. That keeps that all kind of nice and tidy. So here we have a pocket, and you have your photo mats, and on the back of the photo mats I put the months because the collection had a sticker sheet. So I thought that was pretty sweet. So that just fits right back in the pocket. Then that opens up for that. And you have a pocket here. Again, there's the months on the back. So you could put a picture and then journal. Just pretty sweet. So you can put a photo for each month and, you know, give this as a gift to someone. And then again, it has all the months on the back. And I did use, I used 80-pound cardstock for the base of this one. This one here, I used 110-pound cardstock for just the base. And then all the elements inside of it was 65 pounds. Now in this one, I used kind of a gray color and then white and black. And then this opens up and you have a pocket over here as well. Now the other one doesn't have a pocket here, but this one does, because I wanted to get all of the months, all 12 months in here, so you could have a photograph of, you know, each month. And I'm going to guess this is probably going to hold close to 50 photos. I'd make for a nice gift, a nice craft fair item to make, to sell. It just turned out so cute. And there's the back. So if you would like to learn how to make these, let me know in the comments. I will be releasing the recorded class where I'll teach this one and teach this one. I'll have 2 separate classes, so I'll have one for that and one for that. Okay. All right. Well, thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this folio album share. I hope you will want to make one of these, and hey, we'll see you in the next video. As always, keep scrapping. Bye bye.